Ng'amono timo mano ka seche moko gazet kat waneno ka jomoko gi state house nigi budget mar kia bilion adi, joma idho ndeke nigi budget mang'eny. Ng'amono ugoru peksen igolo mage imigawo mopogore opogore tirwako kama jopiny nene.
You know, Trevor, sometimes uyot kisungu it's easy to be sensational. But then pesa dima kuro the state house. Pero kata 5 billion. 5 billion will cover what percentage of this money?
Okay, ngade matin to ngade imigawo.
And are we saying ni state house okuningo bedie? Which country in the world maunge state house?
Okay, ngamo wacho ni kikubedi, wacho mane ngade matin. Ken 5 billion to be kata 4 billion ugola chiel.
Kuro billion a chiel.
Kumanyi moko kamoro.
Kuro billion a chiel ni. Kuwa med education ka. And ngamuko ni okwangado. State house, if Cardinal Adwamiyo state house pesa te, what they need, it would be even 10 billion. You know, state house is not easy to run state house and state lodges in the country. It is expensive sometimes to support democracy, Trevor. And by the way, this is not even democracy. Go anywhere in the world, state houses gain expenditure. Yes, and you see, kata mnajo menda no ma visit state house. Okay, no mistake. Gechika president will decide. The president benya karumgidi. Kuro waka only one president. And of you lower state house or kurumgi anybody or watch anything. Manu dango be the president man. No, you watch into man 1 year on a man. Now, nyaka president room giji, nyako wuo giji, ko room giji hotels. Person adima dwachuo. So state house nigi value. And ani yakwa bed rational and we do very rational. Niti request mabuok na state house mang'eny ma reject kana moko ningeyo mtoka mingeyo ko kada gache moko reject moko ngado moko. So okni okwa manage budget ma state house. And ani aken jo Kenya dwaro ni state house waket ne zero budget e kada gibed mamor. To state house ko keto ne zero budget, we will not have state house.
Okay.
Zamoro jiwacho security. Trevor, nyaka a balance the security sector. Seje mo kelo na request I reject angado not I reject I reduce even to 60-50%. But country machaloka ka Kenya benya ka be conscious about security.
Okay.
Ka gimoro timore like mano timore do sit. I am telling you, Trevor, our economy would go down. Makata pesa madi wateru when you think to school nyalo chanwa.
Okay.
Ko timore repeatedly. So nyaka secure country marobe. So security sector no be nyaka yud pesa.
IBC no kwayo billion 63